What I'm doing isn't relevant.
It is relevant.
Okay.
Okay, come on, stand up for me.
For what?
Come on, just stand up.
Why are you touching me, sir?
Stand up, come over here.
Why are you touching me?
You have ID on you?
I do have ID.
Okay, let me see your ID.
He had just pulled over, checking under the hood while his kids waited inside. A calm moment on a quiet street. Then came flashing lights, one patrol car after another. Officers surrounded him with firm questions, treating a simple stop like a scene from a crime show. He stayed calm, asking, "What's the reason?" But replies drifted away in the noise of radios and running engines.
Guy, you can record me all you want.
I know, sir.
Okay. There's someone just flagged me down and said there's a gentleman with a kid that are acting suspicious, just sitting here.
I don't know how sitting is acting suspicious.
Okay, so all I'm asking you is, what are you doing here?
What I'm doing isn't relevant.
It is relevant.
Okay.
Okay, come on, stand up for me.
For what?
Come on, just stand up.
Why are you touching me, sir?
Stand up, come over here.
Why are you touching me?
You have ID on you?
I do have ID.
Okay, let me see your ID.
Sir, I'm not required to produce ID unless I'm being suspected of committing a crime.
170 Sam, you buy an LTEC?
I don't understand how sitting here waiting
Because all I'm trying to do is communicate with you
and
find out what you're doing here.
I told you, sir, I'm waiting for a friend.
Okay, but why are you here?
Because I'm waiting for a friend.
Okay, not good.
How is that not good enough, sir? I've answered your question.
1031 170.
Can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Yep, in a minute. It's right there if you want to film it. You can film it.
Boy, and your badge number?
Right there, you can film it.
69.
170 Sam, you buy LTEC? Hey, can you not let him beat me at Cedar Bluff and Rock, please? I got a unco-op sitting.
I don't understand again how I'm uncooperative. I've answered your
You're not
question.
answering the simple questions that I'm asking you. Not answering.
I've already answered your question, sir.
You didn't. You did not tell me why you're here.
I don't have to tell you why I'm here, sir.
That's the issue we're having.
But I don't have to. I'm not
That's
required
the
by
issue
law to tell you why I'm
I
here.
didn't say you were.
Okay, so
But
then
as
why?
as a normal citizen, someone who would like to keep the neighborhood safe, you should just give me simple answers so I can leave.
I gave you a simple answer,
No,
sir.
that's not the answer I'm looking for.
That doesn't matter what you're looking
Yeah,
for,
hey,
sir.
can you come down to Rock and Cedar Bluff? Hey, when you were down here earlier on Cedar Bluff, did you contact anyone? Refusing to give me any information, and apparently don't have any reason to be here. So come on down here for me.
Sir, I've given you a reason why I'm here.
No, you know what it is? You're just being a jerk.
I'm not being a
You are
jerk,
being
sir.
a jerk.
Standing up for my rights isn't being a jerk.
It's not standing up for your rights.
Sir, it absolutely
It's cooperating with me to keep the community safe, to tell me why you're here and why you don't belong here.
How do you know that I don't belong here, sir?
That's what I'm asking you.
I've already given you an explanation of why I'm
Sitting
here.
here waiting for your friend is not a good enough answer.
So sitting...
You can't tell me you have a car here?
That's not relevant, sir.
Okay, that's the problem we're having. You're totally uncooperative.
It's not uncooperative,
It is
sir.
uncooperative.
Am I legally obligated to answer your questions?
No, you're not.
Okay, so then
Okay.
what is the problem?
Because it just goes to show you that you're a troublemaker.
It's not a troublemaker,
You
sir.
are.
I've never been arrested. I've never
And
been in
you're
trouble in my
really-
life.
You're setting a very poor example for this young kid right here.
To teach my son how to stand up for his rights?
It's not about standing up for your rights.
Sure it is.
It's about standing up for the community. My job is to keep the community safe.
And I applaud you for trying to do your
You're
job.
giving me zero information of why
I've
you're here.
given you information,
You don't live
sir.
here, right?
Do you know that I don't live here?
No, but I've asked for your ID and you won't give it to me.
Because I'm not obligated to give you my
then
ID,
this
sir.
is the issue we're having.
Sir, I'm not
There's
obligated.
obviously I'm not saying you're obligated.
Okay,
but
so then-
we've run into an issue here where you're being uncooperative, not giving me the information I'm asking.
I've answered every question you have, sir.
We'll just wait here and see.
That's
what
fine.
my sergeant.
That is absolutely fine, sir. I have no problem talking to your sergeant. I don't understand how...
You do understand. You're just being difficult.
It's, sir, being difficult, I mean, is it my obligation to not be difficult?
Well, when I'm just trying to simply do my job and you want to be disrespectful.
I wasn't
and rude,
disrespectful
okay,
at all.
let me-
I've called
let me
you sir.
rephrase that.
I've
If
been
you-
very
you just don't
respectful.
want to give me the information I'm looking for.
I've answered every question.
No, you don't. No.
Sir, I have. I've
asked you
answered
where
every...
you live, you say it's not relevant. I've asked for your ID, you won't give it to me. So that's the issue.
I'm not obligated to identify myself unless I'm being detained for
Okay,
a crime.
well, you may be here shortly if it's...
For what?
If it's good.
Am I detained right now?
No, you're not.
Okay, son, let's go.
Okay.
Nate,
Hit the
get
road.
up.
Hey, good luck in the future, young man.
Yeah, it's great. Nate.
After all the pressure, all the questions, nothing serious ever came up. He stood his ground, stayed respectful, and waited. When it ended, he closed the hood, gathered his kids, and walked away, reminding us how even peaceful moments can turn intense when power sees doubt where there is none. Here is another case. This video captures a real moment between a citizen and law enforcement. What began as a discussion about paperwork quickly turned into a deeper expression of frustration, past experiences, and a strong defense of personal rights. The speaker stands firm, protecting family, home, and animals, while questioning how things have been handled. This is more than a disagreement. It's a reflection of someone feeling unheard and misunderstood for far too long.
You could. That's how it goes. I read the law. That's all I do is read and study the law and everything. Seriously, I should become
on like what we're
No,
supposed
yeah,
to do.
yeah.
You just
Exit off my property without a warrant. Bye. You guys are not welcome here. And sorry to be rude to you because I know I don't know you and stuff like that. It's just I'm really not this kind of person they're making me out to be. It's just you have to understand like what
We have not said anything
the scrutiny,
or
the law enforcement,
critiqued
and
you
animal
in any
control
way,
have been
Diamond.
putting me through for the past couple years.
Diamond, we
I
have not
understand.
No, you guys
critiqued
tried to
in any way.
take my dog. I had to fight that, and I didn't get no lawyer, and I represented myself. I got my dog back.
Yeah.
Yeah, you saw that.
I went to court and I saw you do
And then
that.
now I'm gonna do the same thing, but now I'm gonna sue all of you because I'm sick of it. You guys are trying to criminalize me by a stroke of a pen. That's not fair.
The diamond bird,
If you understand, if you just
here.
leave, like, we don't even have to have this conversation, and you guys don't have to stress me out, because I'm stressed out. You guys are stressing me out. Do you care about my mom? Do you care about my family? No, you don't. You don't even care about animals. You guys just pretend to.
Well,
You
this
guys took
conversation-
away my dog when
You
she was in
obvious-
distress.
Diamond,
You guys don't care
Diamond,
about
this
anything.
is not going anywhere. You are obviously
It's not.
being
It's obviously not going nowhere, so why don't you go?
We're going
I'm asking you respectfully, nicely, go.
And by the way, the lap. I don't grab her.
Oh yeah, you just told me right now that you're gonna help me with it. Now it's lapsed.
Well, it's on the paperwork that was left at the
We're
door.
trying
It wasn't left.
to-
There was no paper left on the door. First of all,
Diamond,
I found that paper
stop.
across my property.
Diamond,
It was not
stop.
on no door. You guys,
I got it.
I was picking up trash and I found that paper.
If you found it though,
Yeah,
I put it on the
but
fence,
that's
so-
that's not notifying anyone anything.
Well, you wouldn't talk to us, so how are we fight? You don't
In the
talk to us.
mailbox, try that. Why? If you
allowed to
tape
put
something,
we are
the
not
wind's
allowed
gonna
to.
blow it away. You guys are playing with me, so I'm gonna play with you guys.
We'll come back to more
I'm
of
gonna fight paperwork with paperwork.
That's
So you're gonna be very
The
overwhelmed.
Diamond, when we come back with a warrant, it's upset.
No, I won't.
You're
But
gonna
I
be
know how.
just
No, I
as
won't. You guys
embarrassed.
give me a warrant, I will let you in because you guys have the legal grounds to be on my property. Right now, you guys are just a bunch of people giving me a hard time.
Well, we're
Not
done
you.
then. You again then.
And you, for not giving me that declaration of ownership, that is very wrong. The times have not lapsed. Today is the second day. It says I have 2 days on that paper.
48 hours.
Have it been 40 hours? Exactly? No, it has not.
Yeah.
No, it has not. No, it doesn't count the day that you give it. 1, 2.
Yes,
Tomorrow's my
it's
last
48
day.
hours time that
You know Lisa's number, right? Our manager.
So why did you tell me right now that I could fill it out, then all of a sudden you take it back?
she's trying to call you when you're back. So
Diamond,
And
this
it-
is-
this
Oh,
is
hold on,
something
hold on.
that
Right now
said
you said you'll help me
Right.
do that.
But
And you
I
went to the car.
realized-
And now since I'm not playing you guys' game with you guys, you're not gonna let me fill out the
Okay, here,
paperwork.
I'll give you one, but if it lapses. You want to fill it out and try to submit it, but it's still 48 hours. I'll give you one.
40 hours, but you guys did not give me, I did not receive the
I'll give you
notification.
one. It's not
You guys
a big
taped it onto my fence and it blew away.
That's not our fault. You wouldn't talk to us directly.
Then why didn't you put it in the mailbox where I can find it?
You're legally not allowed to.
You guys are not allowed to be on my property.
Here, let me give you this. You can submit it. What you gotta send today.
Hold on, can I get your badge number? Or do you have a card? 20. So back to that. You were here when you guys raided my place that day. Why didn't you guys look into what you guys were doing? Why would you? No, you didn't. Cause no. Everything you wrote cited me for was all wrong. You guys should have checked in with the state. Don't you guys have like a database? Hold up, no. But you said you were there that day. Okay. Don't you guys have a database where you see what places are illegal and which ones not? If you guys were to just look, you guys could look up the numbers right there on my seller's permit. Why not? You're here right now. You told me you were here that day when all my mom was put in handcuffs and everything. So
explained to you
that
what
is what made me mad the most. Not just that, but you guys took other stuff that was not on the warrant. Why do you guys take my jewelry? Why do you guys take my money? That wasn't on the warrant. So therefore, no. So your body cams. You guys are required to wear body cams, and they're required to stay on the whole time. So when I write my report about all the stuff you guys have stole from me, and you guys can't furnish those body cams, you know you guys are all in trouble, right?
Interrupt about the animal.
Seriously, all you guys.
Do you want to fill this out?
I have
now?
2 lawyers. You guys do not know who you guys are messing with.
Or not? Okay, I can give it to you and you can fill it out later, but you have to get it in today. You might as well do it now.
And I would trust you guys to go look at the animals, but my brother told me that you guys made him upset. He was being nice to you guys, and you guys were trying to write him a ticket. And so he said, "What the heck?" So you guys can understand why I don't trust you guys on my
Right.
property now, because I don't want no ticket from you guys. I already have enough to pay for that was wrecked during that raid.
Right. You'd rather have a warrant? Like, honestly, Diamond, if the birds have water, we have nothing.
They do have water.
They
Dude,
can-
look at my birds. They're hecka happy. No chickens frolic like that.
I mean, show us the ones in the back.
I don't want to show you guys
Okay,
nothing.
alright.
You know how traumatized I am from having any kind of legal authority on my property right now? Do you understand that? It's not like I have nothing to hide about my bird. It's just my jewelry was taken. Understand that?
Animal control, yeah. We didn't
Well,
go
you
in
guys
the
come
house.
with the people that took it, so that has something to do with something.
We got called in after the fact.
Come on now, you guys,
You know we
you
went
guys,
there all
you guys
day.
have brought me down to nothing almost.
Okay, just
But I
fill
believe
that-
in God,
fill that out and
so
we'll work on it, okay?
it's alright. Animal control and dogs supposed to protect the animals. You guys just take my animals. Law enforcement supposed to protect the people. You guys just steal from me. Like, you guys took something very sentimental that belongs to me also, and I'm highly upset about it. My best friend committed suicide and East. You guys took her. So if it says the 12th, then I haven't lapsed a day because on the paperwork you gave me, it says 10th day.
Okay, then you're filling it out.
So then why were you lying?
I wasn't lying. It doesn't matter. You're still fine. Like regardless of what I said, if we're in contact for a hearing, it's just like Kush. The hearing with Kush, you had Kush before I can. But wait a minute. So okay.
I don't know how to fill it out.
No. I know. I'm just making you fill it out right, or at least the way you want. I just want. We haven't used them yet, and you are the owner, right? Birds contact hearing. Okay, good. And it's just kind of like Kush. All right, same process. Just gonna meet at Highland. We'll let you. And then yeah, I was gonna give you our supervisor's number, but I wrote it.
In the end, emotions ran high, but the message stayed clear. This person wants fairness, respect, and a voice. Years of struggle and loss built up to this day, and every word shared came from that place. As viewers, it's a chance to listen closely, understand deeper, and remember that behind every confrontation, there's always a story that matters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.